silly all the time. But welcome. We are inside. It is raining, but we're still going to have some fun. And because it is Tupperware's birthday month, I'm going to show you how to make s'mores in the kitchen. But first, I have to show you how, because it's Tupperware's birthday, this is our hostess gift special. That's over to the side. One of the three that you can choose. You know, I had to add something else in there. But these are some awesome items that you can use and show in regards to the indoor barbecue as well. But I'm featuring today our 9-piece mini modular make set. Now, excuse the blue, but I didn't have the black seals, so I used what I have. But I wanted to show you how I have placed only 3 ingredients, as we know, to make our s'mores. Inside of the mini rectangular tube is a box of the graham crackers. So this, the whole box was able to fit in here. So of course we have to start off with our graham crackers. We are also featuring the micro grill. So, hey, my sisters and I were showing you, when I say sisters in Tupperware, we're showing you how so many different ways you can use the micro grill. So we're going to be using a whole thing of the graham crackers, and I'm going to use 2 of those, and we're just going to place them into the base of the micro grill. I don't have to tell you how beautiful it is designed, because my sister Denise told you about that. But also what we're going to use is, everyone knows you have to have your Hershey's bar, and inside my mini modular make rectangular one, then I have placed in about 6 of our Hershey's bars. So I just kind of lay them on the inside. So when you're showing your products, you want to show them how you're using, even especially our sales special. And when I first saw this recipe on making the s'mores, I thought maybe I'd use a whole, 6 of there's like 3. I don't know if you can see it. I'll come up close. There are like 3 bars as you go across. And I thought that you would use 6, but no, only use the 3. Trust me, you'll see how just the 3 bars are what you would need, else you would have too much. So we're going to put on each of those graham crackers, and I'm going to show you how it looks before I get the marshmallow. So I put on there, on one side, the Hershey's, okay? Now we're gonna get our marshmallows. And of course, we have to show how beautifully the other piece of our mini modular make rectangular. And let's put our seals back on. And let me just kind of show you how these seals work. I'm kind of doing like as if I'm doing a party. Whenever you have your seals, then you have I call them the notches and grooves from years ago. So we have it where there's a notch right here and the groove right there. So you press, slide over like you're at home in baseball. You run to first, you run to second, you run the third, but you got to run back home again to make sure that it's completely sealed, okay? So we have those that are sealed. I'm gonna set the graham crackers and the chocolate to the side. And inside of the modular make rectangular 2 mini, I used a 10-ounce bag. So this 10-ounce bag of marshmallows fit inside of the modular make mini rectangular 2. So we're going to only get 1 marshmallow for each of the graham crackers. You think that you would use 2, but you need 1 because it's going to spread. And you don't put it on top of the chocolate. You're going to put it on the opposite graham cracker. So I will come over and let you see that. And let's put this back in place. And however you decorate, now I had the bottom one that was empty, but you can put something else in there if you would like. We see the other pieces that come along with that modular made set. And I'm gonna bring this over to you so you can see that there's 2 marshmallows on the bottom one and the other 2 on the top part with your view. Then you're gonna get this, and you're gonna use the micro grill in the casserole mold, which sits on the edges, as we know, and you're gonna put that in the microwave for 1 minute. Then you're gonna come back, take it out, take the cover off, and you're gonna put the 1 gram cracker on top of the other, which is the marshmallow on top of the chocolate, because the chocolate may start to be a little bit runny, and it's just softening it. Then you put it in there for 1 more minute, 2 minutes, and let me show you what you get. Like they say, the magic of television. Oh my goodness! And you know, Vonnie's got to eat it, so oh my God.